must do what? Big him up. Somebody want him second nature. King, I want to love you for life. Imagine that. Why we must make ourselves vulnerable, you know. That's the only way love can work. When we learn to balance with one another and talk the truth and don't play no games. Alright, so I want to listen. Huh? Boy. I will say to you. I'm going to some Phyllis like, my heart cries out perfidia, 'cause I found you the love of my life in somebody else's arms. Your eyes, I reckon with perfidia, forgetful of the promise of love, to share in another's joy. Song, how you this so far? With the sacrament, my dreams are faded like a broken melody. Alright, see it here. While the gods of love look down and laugh at what romantic fools we mortals be. Alright, my friend, see the song, yeah? It's a ballad, you know. It's one of them things, if man or woman there right now, hold on for your girl and rock with her for me, please. Alright. This one called Second Nature. Alright. Wanna listen to please, you know, make me tell me if my song sound good.